Today, we'll take a detailed look at 5 amazing blenders that will make your kitchen tasks easier and impress you with their performance. Whether you're looking to make high-quality smoothies, whip up practical sauces, or simply streamline your kitchen work, this video is perfect for you. We'll cover the strengths and some drawbacks of each blender, making it much easier for you to choose the one that's right for you. Before we dive into the details, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, let's get into the details. Number 1. Breville Fresh and Furious Blender. If you're looking for a stylish and compact blender that will make your kitchen tasks easier, this product is perfect for you. Let's take a closer look at all the features of this blender. Breville is a brand known for its high-quality and well-designed kitchen appliances. The Fresh and Furious model is their entry-level blender, which means it comes at a more affordable price, but that doesn't mean it compromises on performance. With its powerful 1100-watt motor, this blender makes it easy to turn tough pineapples and leafy spinach into a smooth smoothie. It also excels at crushing ice, making it effortless to prepare refreshing drinks during the summer. In terms of design, the blender is compact and stylish. Its plastic base makes it lightweight and easy to handle. It's also very practical to use, with 5 speed settings and 3 preset programs. These programs allow you to achieve the desired consistency with just one touch. Additionally, cleaning the blender is a breeze. Just add water and detergent, and you can easily clean out any residue. The pitcher and lid are dishwasher safe, which is a big plus. The blender's lid features a special design called the Breville Assist lid, which seals tightly but is easy to remove. The LCD screen makes it simple to monitor speed settings and programs. The device is also user-friendly in design. Placing the pitcher on the base is easy, and you can position the handle in any direction you prefer. In conclusion, the Breville Fresh and Furious blender is an excellent choice for those seeking practicality and style in the kitchen. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, compact, and high-performing blender, you should definitely consider this model. With the quality that Breville offers, this blender won't let you down in the kitchen. Number 2. Ninja Blast Blender. This blender stands out with its sleek design and powerful performance. If you have a small kitchen at home or are looking for a convenient blender to take with you to the gym, the Ninja Blast is perfect for you. The Ninja Blast, although it's Ninja's first portable blender model, delivers the power and performance we've come to expect from the brand in a portable format. It features a stylish, retro-inspired design, and since it's completely cordless, you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. This blender charges via a USB-C cable and can prepare 10-15 blends on a full charge. It's very easy to use with its one-touch operation, and each blend takes just 30 seconds. The Ninja Blast's strong blades effortlessly crush fruits and vegetables, and it performs moderately well when it comes to crushing ice. Despite its small size, it can break up ice, though you might sometimes get an uneven blend. Adding a bit of water can help achieve a smoother result. When it comes to cleaning, it's incredibly convenient. You can add a few drops of dish soap and run a 30-second cycle to self-clean. The lid and blending cup are dishwasher safe, which is another feature that makes your life easier. In conclusion, the Ninja Blast is an excellent choice for those looking for a small but powerful blender. With its portability, stylish design, and strong performance, this device is especially ideal for taking with you to the gym. If you want to prepare single-serve smoothies while showcasing your style, the Ninja Blast is the blender for you. Number 3. Nutribullet Pro 900 Blender. This blender allows you to work wonders in your kitchen without taking up much space, thanks to its compact design and high performance. If you have a small kitchen or want to quickly prepare smoothies, sauces, or dips for 2, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is just what you need. You can whip up your smoothies in just under a minute. It's especially great at easily blending even dense and fibrous ingredients, making it simple to create healthy and delicious mixtures. Using this blender is incredibly straightforward. Just fill the cup, attach the blade, flip it over, and place it on the base. To start blending, simply press down on the cup and twist. However, since there's only one speed setting, you may need to be careful if you want to achieve thicker textures. For instance, if you're making a thick sauce like guacamole, you'll need to monitor how long the mixture is blending. The blender handled tough ingredients like frozen fruits and nuts with ease, delivering a smooth blend. But for thicker mixtures, I sometimes had to shake the cup a bit to help the ingredients reach the blade. Cleaning the Nutribullet Pro 900 is also very convenient. You can easily remove the blades for washing, and the cups are dishwasher safe. This makes daily use hassle-free and saves you time. In conclusion, the Nutribullet Pro 900 is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful yet compact blender. It's ideal for anyone who wants to quickly prepare smoothies, sauces, and dips. Number 4. KitchenAid K150 Blender. This blender stands out as the most affordable model in KitchenAid's blender lineup. With its simple and functional design, the K150 is an ideal choice for those new to the kitchen or who plan to use a blender occasionally. However, the limited speed settings might be a bit disappointing for more experienced chefs and cooks. The KitchenAid K150 performs well in basic tasks like crushing ice, making mayonnaise, and preparing smoothies. While its motor is slightly less powerful and its body is made of plastic rather than metal, it still offers solid construction and reliable performance, delivering KitchenAid quality at an affordable price. The design of the blender is quite straightforward. It has 3 different speed settings and an ice crush mode. While these settings are sufficient for daily use, they might fall short for those seeking more professional results. One of the strong points of the K150 is its ease of use. Once you place the jar on the base, operating the blender is simple. You can quickly get your tasks done by selecting one of the 3 speed settings. Additionally, the ice crush mode efficiently crushes ice in a short amount of time. Cleaning the product is also quite convenient. Although it doesn't have a self-cleaning program, you can use the 3rd speed setting to help clean it. The jar and lid are dishwasher safe, making the cleaning process very easy and quick. In conclusion, the KitchenAid K150 blender is an affordable and reliable option that will make your kitchen tasks easier. It's perfect for beginners or occasional use. However, if you need more speed settings and a more powerful motor, you might want to look into KitchenAid's higher-end models. If you're looking for a practical assistant in the kitchen, this blender is just right for you. Number 5. Vitamix A3500 Blender. If you're looking for a true powerhouse in your kitchen, this blender is just what you need. Capable of handling almost anything you throw at it, this device is perfect for large quantities and excels at tasks like crushing ice and making smooth, silky smoothies. The Vitamix A3500 is a high-end blender, and its price reflects this segment. However, it's a solid and long-lasting machine that more than justifies the cost. The device can detect the container you're using and automatically adjust its settings accordingly. Additionally, with Wi-Fi connectivity, you can access recipes and blending tips through the Vitamix app. The blender's design is modern with an industrial look. Due to its size, it might take up some space on your kitchen counter and could be challenging to fit under cabinets. But with its powerful motor and large container, this blender can easily handle even the toughest blends. The Vitamix A3500 features a touchscreen interface that makes it very easy to use. With 10 different speed settings, you have full control over the blending process. Plus, the programmable timer allows you to set the blending time, and the blender will automatically shut off once the blend is done. The device includes 5 automatic programs for smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, sauces, and self-cleaning. These programs make your tasks easier and save you time in the kitchen. The power of this device is truly impressive. For example, when we used the smoothie program, the mixture was perfectly smooth with no unblended chunks left behind. It also crushed ice effortlessly. Cleaning is also a breeze. With the self-cleaning program, you just add water and detergent to clean the blender. Additionally, the container is dishwasher safe, making things even more convenient. In conclusion, the Vitamix A3500 blender is an excellent choice for those who need serious blending power. With its sturdy build, large container, and wide range of features, it can become your biggest helper in the kitchen. Here are the top 5 blenders that can help you with your kitchen tasks. We've detailed the strengths and some drawbacks of each model, and we hope this review helps you choose the blender that best suits your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know in the comments which blender is your favorite and why. We're eager to hear your thoughts.